This RE/MAX Preferred Associates property video is presented by Floyd Stanmore. Well maintained and updated. This 3-bedroom 2-bathroom home has been updated with fresh interior paint, new laminate flooring, new ceiling fans and light fixtures. Most of the windows have also been replaced. This property features a large living area, spacious formal dining room and 3 nice-sized bedrooms. The kitchen has new countertops and ample cabinet space. This property is located on an oversized lot with circular drive. The huge fenced backyard provides plenty of space for outdoor entertainment. For more information, review the details below or contact Floyd Stanmore at 972-293-4583.